A. Say with me. A. Write with me. A. A is for ant. Again say with me. A is for ant. B. Say with me. B. Write with me. B. B is for ball. Again say with me. B is for ball. C. Say with me. C. Write with me. C. C is for car. Again say with me. C is for car. D. Say with me. D. Write with me. D. D is for duck. Again say with me. D is for duck. E. Say with me. E. Write with me. E. E is for egg. Again say with me. E is for egg. F. Say with me. F. Write with me. F. F is for fish. Again say with me. Fish. G. Say with me. G. Write with me. G. G is for goat. Again say with me. Goat. Eight. Say with me. Eight. Write with me. Eight. H is for house. Again say with me. House. I. Say with me. I. Write with me. I. I is for iron. Again say with me. Iron. J. Say with me. J. Write with me. J. J is for juice. Again say with me. Juice. K. Say with me. K. Write with me. K. K is for key. Again say with me. Key. L. Say with me. L. Write with me. L. L is for lion. Again say with me. Lion. M. Say with me. M. Write with me. M. M is for moon. Again say with me. Moon. N. Say with me. N. Write with me. N. N is for nail. Again say with me. Nail. O. Say with me. O. Write with me. O. O is for orange. Again say with me. Orange. Fee. Say with me. Fee. Write with me. Fee. Fee is for pencil. Again say with me. Pencil. Q. Say with me. Q. Write with me. Q. Again say with me. Q is for queen. Q is for queen. R. Say with me. R. Write with me. R. R is for ring. Again say with me. Ring. S. Say with me. S. Write with me. S. S is for sun. Say with me. Sun. T. Say with me. T. Write with me. T. T is for turtle. Again say with me. Turtle. U. Say with me. U. Write with me. U. U is for uncle. Again say with me. Uncle. V. Say with me. V. Write with me. V. V is for vase. Again say with me. Vase. W. Say with me. W. Write with me. W. W is for what? Again say with me. What? X. Say with me. X. Write with me. X. X is for xylophone. Again say with me, xylophone. Y. Say with me, Y. Write with me, Y. Y is for yacht. Again say with me, yacht. G. Say with me, G. Write with me, G. G is for zebra. Again say with me, zebra. Subscribe for more video.